Hey team, welcome to this group. Just wanted to do a quick video to welcome everybody, and so that way you can see, put a picture and a face to a name of who your coaches are. Amanda Veracruz is the other coach in here. She's my coach, who will be helping all of you along throughout our 7-day journey. And just so you know, we are starting today prepping for Monday. So that way we get you in the correct mindset and kind of get you thinking about, your eating plan, planning your meals out. And that way when Monday comes, you're ready and all set to go. And you're not scrambling and worrying about what you're going to eat, what you have to buy, and so forth. Because you're going to need to get prepared so that way you succeed. And that's what we're here for. So a couple things I just want to go over very quickly. The first one is basically what you can expect from this group is, help, motivation, support, anything and everything that we can do as coaches on our end to help you. We use our experience from what we've been through to hopefully help you and make it easier for you while you start your health and fitness journey. Now, second, what you can expect from myself and Amanda is basically, bottom line, we are both here to help you out, whatever that may be. Most importantly, it's going to be to make sure that you get the stuff you need, learn about what clean eating is and what healthy eating is, and you have a good, solid, basic grasp on what that is as we move forward. Now, lastly, what we expect from you. Overall, it's pretty easy. You just need to come in here every day and check out our daily post for the day to help you out. It's meant to help you out. That's what it's there for. You don't have to check in or everything, although I do highly encourage that you do check in because it's for your accountability. So the more you're engaged with a group, the more you ask questions, encourage other people, it's just going to only make the group more engaging and only help you further along with your journey. So that's what we ask of you, to just be present every day, be 100% fully committed to this, and just be coachable. That's pretty much it. That's pretty simple in a nutshell. So I'm super excited to start our prep week this week and then start our 7-day journey starting Monday as we press forward for this. And if you have any questions, concerns, or if you're unsure of anything at all, please do post your questions below and leave your comments. I will also be uploading some documents, like a daily food list to help you out, what some of the good foods you should be eating are, and a recipe guide as well. Nothing is all inclusive. There are some stuff that aren't on there that I just couldn't put on there just because it would make the list so long. So, they're just there for you to use as guidelines. Again, I am so happy to start this journey with all of you, and I shall see you guys soon. Bye-bye.